JD Cap 26 here, just do tips and pairs and hobbies. And today I'm going to show you on the iPhone, okay, how to report spam text. So what you do is, when you get right into it, okay, guys, what you do is you pick the text that you want to report, you highlight it with your finger, and you copy, okay? So you highlight it, and you take, and then you go up to the corner here, take out a new text, and then you put in 7726, okay, and then you paste in the text that you got, the spam you got, okay, into that, and then you send it, and you're all done. Okay, so it's 7726. Of course, I'm using an AT&T phone, so 7726 is you paste it into a new text, the spam you got, and report it, and that's how you report spam text. Secondly, if you get unknown callers, and it's not, you should have your phone set to contacts only, people you know. You want to ignore unknown callers, of course, because you don't know who's calling you. Let them leave a voicemail. If they know you, they're going to leave a voicemail. If they don't know you, they're not going to leave anything. But after that, you can go to, let's see, let me go to recents. You can go to you can go to the side here where it says you go to information, and then you can go in there and you can block the call at the bottom. Okay, you go all the way down. See, it says block caller at the bottom there. I don't know if you can see that on information from that call. You're going to have to keep that number in recents for it to stay there. So next time they get a call, you get a call, it identifies it and blocks it. But they use, they'll keep calling you and change the number, and they just keep roboting you, so to speak. So that's what you do. You hit information, go to the bottom, and block it. Keep it in your recents. And those are the two things I want to show you today. If you have any questions, please leave in comments below. Please rate, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you can. And I thank you for watching today.